In this video, I want to show you how to install VirtualBox on Ubuntu Linux. On your Ubuntu machine, open the terminal. So you can open the terminal either by pressing Ctrl-Alt-T or by opening Applications and then putting terminal in the search box. In the terminal, here you need to add the repository Multiverse and to also update the Ubuntu package list. And this is here, I'm doing it with one command. So key in the command sudo add-apt-repository Multiverse and sudo apt-get update and hit enter. You will be prompted to put the password. So put the password for your user and hit enter. And the repository will be added and the Ubuntu package list will be updated. So give it a little bit of time to finish. So now it finished. Let me clear the screen. Now that we added the Multiverse repository and we updated the Ubuntu package list, we are ready to install VirtualBox. So always in the terminal window, key in the command sudo apt install VirtualBox and hit enter. Put Y and hit enter. And the installation of VirtualBox will continue. And it takes around a couple of minutes. Of course, it depends on your internet speed on how much time it will take. So give it time. I'm gonna cut this video and come back when this installation is finished. So now the installation finished. So let me clear the screen and let me start VirtualBox. So simply key in VirtualBox in the terminal window and it will start. Of course, you can also start it from the applications menu. So now that it's started, let me check the version, help, about, and then you see this is the latest version. It is 6.16 when this video is recorded, but it might be different for you. And I'm gonna show you here also that the extension pack is not installed. So click on Preferences and look under Extensions. You see that the extension pack is not installed. So let me close the preferences here. And let me also close VirtualBox. And you see the warning here in the terminal window. You can just ignore it. It doesn't affect anything. So before installing the extension pack, I'm gonna add VirtualBox to the favorites. So go to Applications and then scroll to the end. Right-click VirtualBox and click Add to Favorites. This way you'll have it on the left here in the Applications. So let's go back to Terminal now. And let me clear the window once again. And let me install now the extension pack. The extension pack is an important part of VirtualBox. So it's better to install it. And it will give you additional functionalities for the virtual machines when you create them. So simply key in sudo apt install virtualbox-ext-pack and hit enter. When you are prompted, hit the tab key on the keyboard and then press enter. And here also hit the tab key and press enter once again to select yes. And the installation of the VirtualBox Extension Pack will continue. It's a very small package, so it shouldn't take long. It takes less than a minute to install. And now it is installed. So let's verify it. Open VirtualBox. And click on Preferences, click on Extensions, and you see that the Oracle VirtualBox Extension Pack is now installed. And the last step in our setup is to install the VirtualBox guest machine additions. And this is important also to allow the guest machines to integrate fully with your Ubuntu machine. So always in the terminal window, key in sudo apt-get space install space virtualbox-guest-additions-iso and then hit enter. Put the password if prompted for your user and also press on enter. And this is the VirtualBox guest additions being installed. It shouldn't take long. They are not very big. As you see, it's only 44 megabytes. And this concludes the installation of VirtualBox on Ubuntu Linux. And that was all. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.